Good morning. Good morning to one and all. My name is Vai Gautami. I am working as a management lecturer. Today we are going to explaining about the packaging. So what is called packaging? The packaging is a dress of the company. The product may be entirely depends to the only packaging. The product safetyness entirely depends to the packaging. So how much of packaging they may be take care about the product. So without packaging, no products are available to the market. Because of the reason, the packaging only maintain the safetyness and the protectiveness. It should be maintain the attractiveness to the customers. Maybe we can see the different types of packaging in near to you, like paper packaging, water packaging, label packaging, plastic cover packaging. So example like Boost bottle packaging. These may be provided jar packaging. So these are the some types of packaging. The packaging, it is a very vital role plays to the sales. Because of the reason, everywhere they may be done the purchase or sale activities. At that time the product must and should covered packaging. So without packaging the products are maybe not available. For example, if you want 20 kgs rice, so at the time they may be the manufacturer provided 20 kgs packaging cover. So without packaging they may be pour the rice in your hands, that is an impossible action. So that's why the packaging is a very important tool for the marketing activities. The packaging tools may be entirely discussing to the knowledge team and who are the creative team to the market. The creative team only decided to packaging style, color, quantity. So it may be decided to only in top level creative team management. So what are the main requirements of packaging? The requirements of packaging are: the first requirement is protective. So why we maintain a packaging? The packaging protective to the product. So without any harmful or without any leakages, without any smell. So we want to avoid those problems are occurring in the transportation time. So that's why the packaging is the main requirement is to maintain the protectiveness. And the next one is safetyness. The packaging is to maintain the safety of the product, to keep the, for example, if we take in 5-star chocolate or dairy milk chocolate, that may be packaging is very important. So otherwise the product may be otherwise may be melting. So that's why we need a very good packaging. And the third one is economical. The economical is the cost of the product packaging. So the packaging is very important. The package may be reusable or not, it may be identified. If one product packaging may be never used, other than the package cost is low economical cost. The product packaging may be used never twice or thoroughly. They may be used continuously, at the product of cost may be packaging high. For example, we can take like Kurkure wrappers. These packaging cost is low. Because of the reason they may be never used again and again. For example, Boost bottles and Horlicks bottles, these are maybe reusable jars again and again. So these type of packaging cost may be high level. And the fourth point is communicative. The packaging of the information may be communicated to the product information. So who are the purchasing buyers? They may be communicate, they may be learn about the information about the product. So what is the product? So what is the flavors? What is the colors? We may be provided to the communication of information. And the product packaging must and should maintain a very good color. Because of the reason a very good color only attracted to the customers. So that's why we maintain a very good packaging like a good color. For example, these products, they may be provided good color, good images, good color and good image. Because of the reason the packaging may be attracted to the kids, attracted to the customers. So that's why we can maintain the packaging very good color. And the last one is attractive. So what is the product packaging? It should be attractive to the customers. There may be color or there may be images. may be easy to identify customers and they may be easy to attract to the product. They want to purchase the product. So these are the main requirements of the packaging. And what are the types of packaging? The packaging may be divided like 3 categories. That is, the first one is the primary package. The types of packages are divided to 3 categories. The first one is primary package. And the second one is secondary package. And third one is a transportation package. Transportation package. Okay, these are the 3 types of packages. So what is called primary package? The primary package is protected to the product. The product above is called in primary package. And the secondary package is above the primary package is called secondary package. And what is the transportation package? The transportation package may be helpful to the bulk of products. At a time we may be transportation like one place to another place. At the time they may be never damaged. So we may be use the like box item packaging. So that is called transportation package. So I will show you one product for you. In the above product is packaging is called secondary package. And this is the primary package. This is the primary package about the product. And the primary package in outer we have in this box is called secondary package. And what is called transportation package? The transportation package means like we can take these type of products, maybe 100 of products that may be carried to a big box. So that is called transportation package. So these are the types of packages are helpful to the product safetiness and attractive to the customers. Okay students, thank you so much.